Namaste and welcome to day 29 of Mindful 30 journey. We are so close to our journey and I am so amazed. I am proud of each and every one out there who has tagged along with me in this journey, and which is why I decided that today's practice is going to be about faith. Yes. Well, without your faith in me in this journey, we wouldn't have reached so far. And which is why I really want us to channelize the faith, the feeling of faith in us for every small thing that we're surrounded with. Yes, I'm going to encourage you to start with keeping your both hands at the heart. Just keep your hands at the heart. Have that conversation with yourself for this journey, for how far you have come right now, for making each and every day in this year so memorable and so amazing. Let's chant Om sound together, creating that harmony with the next inhalation. Inhale. Take some time to accept the vibrations through the Om chant. From there, gently relax your hands. We're gonna take our right hand and slide it to the right side and bend the elbows. Let your body feel settled in wherever you are. Relax your shoulders and chest, relax your neck with a little bit of joy and beautiful smile. I have faith in this process. I have faith in myself. I have faith in this journey, and I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be right now at this very time. I have faith in every inhalation that I take, and I believe that every exhalation is letting go of all the things that do not serve me, serve my purpose in this process. Slowly take your palms up, and same thing on the other side. Slide it, relax your elbows. I have faith in myself. I believe where I am today, I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. I have faith in people around me. I have faith in the universe and all the callings that are gonna come in this journey ahead of me in this year. I have faith in my decisions and my decision making power. And I believe every inhalation will get me closer to my faith and my understanding. Slowly take your arms up. We're going to start with a little bit of frog pose. Okay, so this is a little bit of intense hip opening, but you can choose to keep it gentle and mild for yourself. So how we do this is you're going to spread your both the knees out and your heels and knees are in one line. You can choose to stay here or you can drop onto your elbows and just breathe. And you allow your legs to slide. With every exhalation, it's going to make its space, and it's going to want to slide even further more. So see what feels accessible to you and surrender into the process. The concept of faith is always accompanied when there is trust in the process, when there is a belief towards the positive outcome, belief towards any outcome it can be. Let's take this practice and try to channelize as much as we can, not just here on the mat, but further in this day. Having faith in this posture, because it's not as easy as it might look right now, or even if it's not feeling easy, it's definitely not easy in terms of weights taking you down with every exhalation. So have faith when you don't think that it's very comfortable or at your comfort right now. And the same applies off the mat. Breathe with me, inhale, exhale. Relax your hands, inhale, exhale. Now take your hips and knees in one line. Find that center, find that alignment. Breathe, inhale, exhale. Have a good smile on your face. And just relax your head down and just notice how you're breathing. Shoulders away from the ears. You're doing amazing. Hang in there for yourself. Slowly get your heels together first. Shift your weight on the hands. Get your heels together. And slowly sit your hips back. This is amazing. Keep your knees wide. Get your hands on the floor and arch your back. And just stay. From here, slowly, you're going to lift up your hips, get your knees in, cross your ankles, and sit up on your hips again. You're going to take your left leg straight, right heel to your groin. And from here, you're just going to slide your left hand, drop your elbows if you can. You can add a pillow and make it more accessible for yourself wherever you feel like. Relax your neck and just stay. Your chest is still facing the front. From here, slowly inhale to come up. And we're just going to turn our chest towards the left leg. So turn your knee slightly in and go down as much as your body is allowing you for. If you can, interlock your fingers in front of your feet and take your head down. If not, just keep your hands on the floor and release your head and just stay. It's okay if you have thoughts coming across in this practice. Don't be irritated or affected by any thoughts. Instead, just acknowledge every thought that you have without being indulged in any of the thoughts. Just look them from far away, acknowledge them, and let them pass by and go to the next one. In this process, you'll realize that you're so open towards having thoughts that after a point of time, there might not be any thoughts left. You might feel like I have no thoughts left, and that's absolutely fine, normal, and even amazing. Slowly inhale, come up, face back to the center. From here, you're going to extend your right leg on the side, left heel to the groin. Slowly, from here, slide your right hand down. Let your body stretch from the side and just stay. Don't force a stretch. Every time, if you look at the technique, every exhalation will make you more lighter and get you closer to your stretch. So think of exhalation as your focus and don't stress and pull yourself into a stretch. Trust the gravity and surrender with exhalation, and you'll see yourself finding going automatically closer into the stretch just by the surrender. Make sure your face is relaxed. No one's forced you in doing what you're doing right now. You're doing everything by your own choice and will. So might as well find a source of joy in this process. Yes, the feeling of joy itself releases such a good hormone. So many good hormones actually inside your body that helps you in the process. So channelize that. Do the smart work. Slowly come up. Ooh, that was nice. Facing towards the leg now. Just rotating your left hip towards the right and going down. We call it the Janushirshasana. Yes. Relax your head. Notice every exhalation. How much more relaxed it makes you feel if you surrender into the process. Inhale, let go and exhale. That's amazing. Continue this. And slowly come up. This is amazing. From here, you're just gonna get your legs into butterfly. Get it closer to your groin. Lengthen the spine. And just surrender down. Melt it down as much as you can. Walk your hands ahead. You can add pillows. You can add anything if you want for support. But we're not staying here any for a very long time. We're just staying here for a short duration. So surrender to the Mother Earth. Bow down. Breathe. And slowly come up. I'm gonna keep your knees together. And just lift up and arch your back. Open your heart to the ceiling and stay. And slowly relax. One more time. Inhale. Lift up your heart to the ceiling and stay. And release. From here, give yourself a good nice hug. Tell yourself how proud you are for this amazing efforts, for all the positive intention, mindset that you have for yourself in this journey. Give yourself a tighter hug with a lot of love, with a lot of faith, with a lot of stillness, surrender, belief, and everything that you can remember of through this journey. With a warm, beautiful hug, embrace it, accept it with a smile. Slowly release. Gently lie down onto your floor. Having faith in the Mother Earth, surrender yourself. Let your body melt into this floor. I'm going to leave you here for your relaxation. Make sure you stay here and embrace every inch and corner of you, not just physically, but also emotionally, mentally, and environmentally, universally, socially, from every corner. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead. I'm really excited and emotional to see you for our last practice tomorrow together on day 30. See you. Have a wonderful day ahead.